When Tableau releases version 2019.4, BI Connector will be included as a certified connector. This will make it easier than ever to connect BI Connector with Tableau. In this video, I'll describe how this connection will be done. In my ODBC Data Source Administrator, I need to create a BI Connector DSN to connect to OBIEE reports as the data source. I'll click Add, and assuming BI Connector is installed on my computer, BI Connector will be listed as a driver. I'll select BI Connector and click Finish. I'll assign the DSN a name and enter my server and login credentials. To ensure that the connection is successful, I'll click Test Connection. I'll choose Reports as the data source, then click Manage Reports List and add the shared folder. I can now save this DSN. Next, I'll open Tableau Desktop. Under Connect to a Server, I'll click More. BI Connector now appears on this list, and I'll select this connection. I'll enter the DSN I just saved, along with my OBIEE username and password, and now the connection to OBIEE is complete. Now I'll select the OBIEE server in the database, and under Schema, I'll choose the report I want from the list. This brings in the report tables, and I can drag in the tables I want to visualize. In a new sheet, I'll set up my columns and rows, and I can visualize this data using all of the options Tableau provides. Stay tuned for the exciting new release of Tableau 2019.4, in which connecting to BI Connector will be a snap.